Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you an easier and clearer way to solve problems involving arithmetic sequence. Before that, let us look at the formula. To find the value of n terms of an arithmetic sequence, these are the two formulas that we can use. To find the sum of the n terms of an arithmetic sequence, these are the two formulas that we can use. And these are the three important elements that we need to find out and define when solving the problems involving arithmetic sequence. A is referred to the first terms, N is referred to the number of terms, and D is referred to the common difference. And now I would like to share a simple tip to make solving arithmetic sequence problems much easier. You just need to remember the words AND. So A is referred to analyze. You need to analyze the question and the requirement carefully. N stands for narrow down. You need to identify and narrow down the useful information from the question. And D, you need to define. You need to define the value of A, N, and D and calculate the answer. By following this process, you will be able to determine all the key elements in the arithmetic sequence problems, which is A and D, and find the correct solution effectively. So now let's look at an example. Akamal starts a job on a salary of 2,000 per year, and this increases by an annual increment of 500, assuming that apart from the increments, Amal's salary does not increase. Find A, his salary in the 8th year, and B, sum of his salary after working for 15 years. So now, we need to follow the steps and. So first thing first, we need to analyze. We need to analyze the requirements of the questions. So for A, we need to find Amal's salary in 8th year. So this means we need to calculate the value of the 8 terms in the arithmetic sequence, which is T8. And for the B, we need to find the total salary amount earns after working for 15 years. This means we need to calculate the sum of the first 15 terms in the arithmetic sequence, which is S15. So next, we need to narrow down the useful information from the questions. So from the question, we know that the Amal's salary in the first year is 2,000. So the first term is A and is equal to 2,000. And his salary increases by 500 every year. So this is the common difference, and it is equal to 500. And from the A, we know the N is 8. And from the B, we know the N is 15. So now, after identifying all the important information, we can now define and calculate the answers according to the requirement. So for A, we need to find the T8. We just need to use the formula to find the answer. And we need to substitute all of the value into this formula. And we will get 5,500. And to find the answer for B, we just need to use the formula and substitute all the value into the formula. So we will get the answer of 82,500. So these are the answer and the steps to solve the problems involving a arithmetic sequence. So that's all from me. You just need to know when you are solving the problems involving the arithmetic sequence, you just need to remember the words AND. The AND refer to the three important elements that we need to find out and the three important steps that we need to follow to solve the problems. That's all from me. Thank you.